Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are starting our next book, Supplementary Reader's Snapshot, from where we have taken the first one, the first lesson. The title of this lesson is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, written by William Saroyan. This is really very interesting story, and you make sure you will be with me till the end of this passage. I'm not talking about the end of this lesson, actually I am talking about the end of this passage, because today I have taken one small passage for you. Okay, so you will be here with me till the end of this passage. All right, this is the story of two Armenian boys who belongs to a tribe. Armenia actually is located in Iran. All right, and here these two boys belongs to a tribe and who are known for honesty and trust, and whose hallmarks are trusty and honesty. And we will try to find out in this lesson, in this passage, how they act upon this trust and honesty, and what kind of life they have, and what really they do in their daily routines. Okay, let's start. How here authors start to say about, किसके बारे में, क्योंकि दो बच्चे हैं, दो बॉयज है, एंड टू पर्सन इज हियर इन दिस स्टोरी. लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट. He said, one day back there in the old good days, when I was 9 year old. He's saying something about his childhood when he was just only a 9 year old. And he said that the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence. He said that, time was so good at that time. There was imagination all around in our life and full of magnificence all around at that time. And he said, and life was still a delightful. बहुत ही आनंद. It was full of happiness, and there was a mysterious dream all around in my life at that time. As everyone knew that the childhood is the period where there is no tension at all. Right? There is no worry at all. This is the time of carefreeness. No tension, because this is the time when we not need to think big. हमें बड़ा सोचने की जरूरत होती नहीं. So this is the best time of life. And so here he said, mysterious dream. My cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody who knew him. And this is the person, Murad, ये चचेरा भाई है उसका, and anyone who knew him, जो कोई भी उसे जानता है, they consider him crazy and eccentric and mad, except me, मेरे को छोड़ के. Okay, he came to my house at morning in the 4 o'clock. Okay, he came up to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. Did you find that? He said that in my childhood, when I was just a fine 9 year old and the life was full of magnificence and full of imaginations, full of mysterious dreams, but full of happiness. At that time, my Chichira Bhai, my cousin, and he come up to my house at 4 o'clock in the morning and woke me up by tapping on the window of my room. Aram, he said very slowly that Aram is the name of the author here. And I jumped out of the bed and looked out of the window. As I heard the sound of Murad, I looked out of the window and also jumped out of the bed and looked out of the window. And I couldn't believe that what I saw. I was not in a position to believe that what exactly I have seen that time. And it wasn't morning yet, but it was summer and the daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world. It was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. Because this is the summer season, so, and there left less time to the down in the sense that not much time would have left to see clearly, to become things visible and to become the clear morning. So there was a light enough to understand me that I wasn't dreaming, कि मैं कोई ड्रीम नहीं कर रहा था, क्योंकि अब ज़्यादा समय नहीं बच गया था मॉर्निंग होने के लिए. So there was a enough light to understand and to let me conceive that I was not dreaming. My cousin Murad was sitting on the white, beautiful horse, and I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. I pulled my head out of the window just to have a look, बाहर देखने के लिए, and I rubbed my eyes. मैं अपनी आंखों को ऐसे ऐसे मलता हूँ and देखता हूँ. And yes, he said in Armenian, Murad said in Armenian language, yes, इट इज़ अ हॉर्स, यू आर नॉट ड्रीमिंग। देखो ये आप सपने में नहीं हो, ये एक घोड़ा है। एंड मेक इट कुक इफ़ यू वांट टू राइड, इफ़ यू वांट टू राइड, अगर आप राइड करना चाहते हो तो मेक कुक, जल्दी करिए। आई न्यू माई कजन मुराद enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake, but this was more than even I could believe. Okay. Author said that Murad's brother, I knew Murad very well because this is the person who enjoyed his life so much, even more than those person who fell in this world by mistake. But this one, it was unbelievable. I was not in a position to believe that what I was looking and why he had that horse. In the first place, my earliest memories had been memories of horse. The first thing was that I loved to. That was having a horse. And my first longing, and the first longing, and the first desire, the first wish was to longing to ride. First thing, the first memory या जो पहली पहली मेरी जो चाहत थी, ख्वाहिश थी, that was a horse. And the next one that was the riding over it, कि भी इसके ऊपर राइड करने का शौक था मुझे. And now this was a wonderful part. It was really very wonderful to see. So okay. So in the second place we were poor. बड़ी बात क्या थी कि they were poor. वो गरीब थे. And this wasn't the part that wouldn't permit to believe what I saw. This was because that I was not in a position to believe it. Because of the poverty, I cannot believe that how he had a horse. कि कैसे उसके पास horse था. It was unbelievable to have that. So we were poor. We had no money, and the whole tribe was poverty-stricken. Poverty-stricken, they were known for their poverties. And every branch of the Garogilian family was living in the most amazing and comical poverty of the world. They live in a comical मतलब बहुत ही हास्यास्पद poverty में रहने वाले वो लोग थे. That much poor they were. इतने ज़्यादा वो गरीब थे. So nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep up and keep us with food in our valleys, not even the old men of the family. So it was unbelievable. There was a person who hardly could believe that they had that much money so that they could keep up their valley, the soul and body together. मतलब अपनी भूख को वो कैसे मिटाते, इतना पैसा उनके पास कहाँ से आ रहा है कि भी वो मतलब खाना भी खा पा रहे हैं ठीक से. Right, that is because they were so poor, which is comical in the world. And nobody could understand. अभी किसी को समझ नहीं था, अभी कोई नहीं समझ सकता था कि the where we ever got money, अभी कहाँ से मतलब इतना सा भी पैसा enough to keep us, जिससे कि हमारा पेट भी भर सके एंड ऑल, कि भी कहाँ से कमाए इतना भी. Okay, so here the most important of all, though we were famous for our honesty. Important thing about them was that they were known for their honesty के लिए जाने जाते थे. We had been famous for honesty for something like 11th century. He said that we were famous for honesty since 11th centuries, especially when we were wealthy. कि जब हम wealthy भी थे, कभी बहुत पुरानी बात है कि भी लगभग 11th centuries में they were known for their honesty, interest and all these things. And he said here, we had been famous for honesty for something like even 11th centuries, even when we had been the wealthiest family of the world, and in what we like to think was the world. क्योंकि जब कभी हमारे अच्छे दिन भी थे इस संसार में, तब भी हम इस ऑनेस्टी के बारे में पहले सोचा करते थे. And we were proud first. First of all, we feel proud and honest next. And after that, we believe in right and wrong. So none of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let's alone steal. We are not a kind of person who could steal anybody and who could take advantage of any person. So let this stealing away, keep away. इसको तो आप दूर ही रखिए. चोरी की तो बात ही छोड़ दीजिए. We are not a kind of person who could steal, भी चोरी कर सके. But here, consequently, even though I could see the horse, because the horse was there, it was so magnificent, but I shandar, and even though I could smell it, it was in a distance of, body. They were in a close distance, so from where I could smell him. And so lovely, it was so lovely, बहुत ही प्यारा सा. And even though I could hear it breathing, I was so clear, so close to him that I could hear him breathing. उसको सांस लेते भी सुन सकता था. So exciting, it was so exciting. बहुत ही शानदार था. It was so tremendous. I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad. I couldn't believe. I was not in a position to believe that he had anything with any relations with the Murad, with me या फिर मेरे से, and with any of other family and any member of the Garoglin family या Garoglin परिवार के किसी भी सदस्य से इसका कोई लेना देना हो. I was not in a position to believing so. So asleep or awake, सोते हुए या जागते, आई कुडंट बिलीव सो. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं विश्वास करता कि हमारे इस घोड़े का हमारे ट्राइब से, हमारे फैमिली से कोई लेना देना भी है, मुझसे या मुराद से एंड ऑल. बिकॉज आई न्यू माई कजन मुराद couldn't have bought the horse, because I knew it. मुराद could not bought this horse. कोई नहीं, वो उसको खरीद ही नहीं सकता था. And if he couldn't have bought, अगर उसने इसको खरीदा नहीं है, तो it was pretty clear that he has stolen this, कि उसने उसको चोरी किया हुआ था. Okay, no member of Garoglian family could be a thief, but as far as concerned about the Garoglian family's member, no one was thief, कि कोई चोर नहीं था. And I started first at my cousin. पहले तो मैं अपने cousin मुराद को घूरता हूँ. And then at the horse. Okay, there was a pious stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one hand delighted me and the other hand frightened me. After considering and thinking all these things, I start first this पहले तो मैं किसको देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, cousin को, चचेरे भाई को, and then I'm starting to this horse. And then there was a pious, pavitra stillness, shanti ek tarah ki, humor in each of them. I could see the piousness and humor there in both. And which one hand delighted me, कि यहाँ एक और मुझे बड़ी खुशी महसूस हो रही थी. And the other hand there was a frightenedness. एक तरह से दूसरी ओर देख के तो डर भी लग रहा था. Murad, I said, where did you steal this horse? I said, आपने कहाँ से चुराया इसको? Leap out of the window, he said, if you want to ride. He said that, if you want to ride, come out of the window. The choice is here भी, अगर आपने ride करना है तो जल्दी बाहर आ जाओ. Okay, it was true then, कि ये सच था. And he had stolen the horse, there was no question about it. He had come to invite me to ride or not as I choose. So it was pretty clear now that the horse had nothing to do anything with the Murad. He had stolen this, and he had here just to invite me to ride. And he said that if you want to ride, so come and leap out of the window or not. The choice is yours. Okay, that was your first passage, right? I think you got to know. In the first passage that we got to know about these two boys, that here author said that it was the time when we had a very great time in our childhood, and everything was so good and very delightful, very magnificent and very imaginable. And we were just a 9-year-old when Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody, invited me to the ride. But as he knocked at the window of my door, I was terrified. I was petrified to see, and I leap out of the window just to see and have a look of these things. What is it true or not? Am I dreaming or not? कि मैं कहीं स्वप्न तो नहीं ले रहा हूँ? And Murad said, no, you are not dreaming. You are not dreaming. You have to come out if you want to ride. And author's the first wish was a horse, and the next one was his wish to ride over the horse. And then here author thought of his poverty, that they were so poor, so they were not in a position to board any horse. ऐसी स्थिति में तो थी कि वो घोड़ा वगैरह खरीदते, because they live in the most comical poverty and amazing and comical poverty of the world. Nobody could understand how they have managed to keep up their body and soul together. Okay, but One thing that was important for them is their honesty and trust, because since the 11th centuries, when they were considered wealthy family, they then also think of, feel proud and honesty के बारे में तब सोचते थे, and afterward they thought of right and wrong. As they were known all these things, let the stealing alone. Stealing to chodi diye. They are not a person, they are not a kind of person who can take advantage of any person कि भी किसी का वो ये भी ले ले. When author tried to inquire about this horse, he said that because he was thinking that as we are so poor, we are not in a position to board this one. It is pretty clear that he has stolen it. When he inquired about, he said that where have you taken this? इसको आपने कहाँ से लिया? Because author was one side he was feeling so delightful to see, and other hand he was so petrified and very terrified and frightening. Why? वो डर भी लग रहा था कि ये कहीं चोरी का तो नहीं है. Author said that ठीक है, I had nothing to do anything, and मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, but the horse that is there in front of you is, the choice is here, you want to come or not, do you want to have ride or not. आना है तो आ जा, leap out of the window और okay, बाकी रहने दो. But it was clear that he had stolen, कि उसको चोरी किया हुआ था. And tomorrow we will try to find out what happened next.